Greetings fellow Decepticons, Sandblaster1987 here, and welcome to part 2 of my Takara Legends Titans Return Leader Class Sixshot review. Last time I looked at the Robot Mode's articulation, the Wolf mode, the Armored Car mode, which you're seeing right now, and the Tank mode. Now, for those who are wondering why Blitzwing's Titan Master is in one of the two cockpits with the car mode instead of Sixshot's, it's because Sixshot's helmet has got a really tight neck joint, which means that I can't get the Titan Master out of it right now. So, Blitzwing's Titan Master has kindly volunteered to show off the cockpit features of every vehicle mode on Sixshot's design. So, as you can see, Sixshot's Armored Car mode has got some really good rolling action from the wheels. Not always the most stable due to the way the other transformations get in the way, but that's neither here nor there for this one. So, next up is the jet mode. So in order to get the jet mode working, just close these pieces like so, rotate the corners of this piece 180 degrees, so all the black parts on the opposite side are facing one another. I forgot to mention in the robot mode part of part 1 that he does actually have a very stiff ankle tilt as well. So before anyone comments on that video, I did forget to mention the ankle tilt, but at least I mentioned it at all, so that's that sorted. Then counter between the cockpits and flip out this landing skid. Then flip the whole thing over like so. Bring the wings out of the way, then rotate the robot mode arms. Hang on. Unpeg the wings and then rotate the robot mode arms out of the way. Actually no, that's not that, is it? Hang on, bear with me. Yep, so rotate the wheels inward like so. And just leave the white parts of the arms hanging out like so. Then open the chest flap and bring out the chest wings like so, which tilt upwards, become the stabilizers at the back. Peg the wings back in like so. And unfold them like so. Slightly angled back so that the slots work properly for attaching the guns. Then connect the guns onto these slots on the end of the wings like so. And also these notches on the wings here are compatible with the Titans Return base systems, so like Optimus Prime's Power Master body and Tripticon and all the other Titans Return Leader class figures that have got the same kind of connection ports. So you can use the base modes of certain Leader class figures to create a whole city. This is normally supposed to be for like Overlord and Power Master Optimus, but Sixshot's still compatible with it too for those who want to use it. So here we have Sixshot Starfighter mode. And for size comparison, here is the Shuffler Titans Return Titan Master drone. And Transformers Legacy Armada Starscream. I'll be reviewing him another time. He's just the most recent figure I've got for size comparisons at the moment, so bear with me. So, to get from the jet mode to the gun mode is pretty simple. Just open up the chest canopy, fold the wings in again. Like so. Then take the guns off the ends of the wings. Unpeg the wings and fold them down. Fold down the Now for the Wolf mode to become the trigger, fold away the landing skid from the jet mode. Then split these pieces and fold them back again, like so. Then bring these pieces out once again from the tank mode. Split the legs to get the heel spurs out, ready to become additional sub barrels. Then peg it all back together. Rotate these again, like so. Peg all of this back together. Make sure everything is situated properly. Peg it all together on both sides. Then connect these guns back together again. One thing I forgot to mention in part 1 is that when these guns are connected together in this position, there are 2 Headmaster foot pegs here. So for example, Blitzwing can have his Headmaster unit sitting on top of the guns, like so. Then these peg on using these slots on the underside and these pegs on the underside of the gun mode, and here we have Sixshot in his gun mode. Basically, this form would allow Sixshot to be like a mass-shifting target master like Megatron and Shockwave from the original toy line. Then, the easiest of the transformations for this particular figure, to turn the gun mode into a submarine, just flip it upside down, and then close the wolf mouth and extend it like so to fill out the gap here, and there we have the quote-unquote submarine mode for G1 Sixshot's Titans Return remake. Really, this is what the back of the packaging says is for submarine mode anyway. I still think it looks like an upside-down blaster pistol. So, finally, to get from this to the Wingwolf battle platform that was one of Sixshot's hidden modes in the cartoon, fold out the wolf head, flatten out the wings, rotate all of this like so. Basically, this Wingwolf battle platform mode is supposed to be halfway between the armored car and the tank, but with the wolf head sticking out. So, rotate the tank treads like so. Then hide away all of the extremities from the back here, from the armored car mode. Then once everything is in its proper position, peg the wings back into place. Angle the wings out about 45 degrees or so. And peg the guns on top. And this is Sixshot's hidden 7th mode, the Flying Wingwolf battle platform from the Headmasters cartoon series. Well, the closest I can get to it with the Titans Return engineering anyway. Unfortunately, due to the way the engineering works on this figure, you can't do the hipster wolf configuration that Theme Adams joked about with the G1 Sixshot mold by having the jet cockpit come out the wolf's mouth like it did in the G1 toy. Because, well, the engineering for this figure just simply doesn't do that, so I'll leave a link in the description for Thea's review of the original Sixshot. And then, that more or less concludes the review. I have been Soundblaster1987. Join me next time when I'll be returning to the world of Kamen Rider with the Sengoku driver from Kamen Rider Gaim. Till then, till all are one.